Hello lovely souls, join me today for this really fun and easy fluid art painting. It's so satisfying doing this acrylic pouring technique, so join me for the ride today as I show you the process. So first of all, thank you so much to all my members, supporters and subscribers, and a special shout out to my newest member, Nerd Goblin Art. Welcome aboard, Lula, so lovely to have you on board. So before we dive into this really easy acrylic pouring technique today, here are the beautiful amazing students and my lovely helper Sian from my recent workshop. Look at all the different things they created. We used the split cup technique and we're doing that today, and I wanted to just highlight their paintings, wet and dry. Look at the colours, look at the shapes, and they just enjoyed themselves. They chatted away, we had such fun, and I just loved the colours. This was a tailored workshop, and that means I asked them what their colour palette is. I mix them up beforehand and discuss what they want to achieve and put things in videos so that they can understand it a bit better before the workshop. And then I do a follow-up today, which is just displaying their art and enjoying the process. So I'd love to know what you think about these colours and how you've been enjoying your acrylic pouring. If you're a beginner or a seasoned artist of fluid art, just look at these vibrant colours and swirls. And I love the fact that everybody took this technique and made it their own. There's no right or wrong about it. There's just going with the flow and enjoying it. And it just allows you just to, make things that you would never expect, and also to see things that you would never expect as well. So thank you for joining me today. Today we've got rich blue and gold fluid art, and it's really easy for beginners. So if you'd like to learn a new fluid art technique, join me for the fluid art technique now. I've got more details in my last video on the split cup technique. Today I'm just gonna put some music on, enjoy the process, and just watch those colours flow as I swirl them around and really enjoy those blues and golds. So towards the end, I'll come and show you the wet and dried results. Enjoy the music and the process. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And thanks so much to everybody for your support, and thank you for those people that bought me coffee last week. I really appreciate it. See you shortly. I've left the natural sound on in the background because the spring chirping of the birds and the delight of the music of nature always inspires me, and I just absolutely love it. I just sit in my art room with the door open and paint with the birds. Just the most relaxing and lovely way to unwind.
hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us. In an endless sky, being lit by the fire of our love. Yeah. After all that's come and gone through all the years, I wouldn't trade a thing, 'cause it brought us here. Hey, you never looked so beautiful. Do everything I've waited for and so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. Love is going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life together. Let's grow in our love. Write the story that's only for us. Oh, 'cause our life together keeps getting better. And you never look so beautiful. You're everything I've waited for and so much more. Standing right in front of me, and we go weather every high and low. Love is going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together.
I'm just coming to the end now, tilting and being really patient by holding the paint as it glides off the canvas. And you might have noticed today that to create more flow across the painting, I added some more base paint, and this colour, it was cream, one colour I haven't used for a long while, but I love the elegance of this colour. It really highlights that lovely rich blue and gold that we've got on the canvas today. So what do you think about this colour palette? What colour palette would you like to see next? And thank you so much for being on this ride with me. I really appreciate you all. If you're enjoying the videos, please do subscribe, like and share. It does really make my day. Thank you for being here. And don't forget that your art is a piece of you. Keep shining, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care now. Bye.
Love is going where we go to have it all forever. Let's start our life together. Let's start our life together. Take my hand, there's 1,000 first dances for us.